everyone! Today I will be showing you how you can tie this really fun and easy half hitch knot pattern for all kinds of macrame projects. Let's get started. To begin, I've just gone ahead and attached one cord to my dowel rod with a lark's head knot. I'm just going to gently loosen that lark's head knot so I can slide a second cord right underneath and through that lark's head knot. Pulling it until it is even on both sides, and then I'm just going to tighten up my lark's head knot to secure everything into place. Now I'm going to begin tying half hitch knots. So I'm going to take my middle left cord and tie it around the two cords here on the right side, sending it over to form a loop, then twisting it all the way around to go through that loop and pulling it nice and snug. Now I'm going to take that middle right cord and tie it around the two cords on the left, once again crossing it over to form the loop, then twisting it around and pulling it through that loop, and then pulling it nice and tight. And all I'm going to do is repeat, alternating which side ties the knot. Just keep repeating this over and over again until you have reached the desired length. Just like that. Now you can totally end your ropes just as they are, just have them hang down. You can also tie a square knot here at the bottom if you would like, or even gather these ropes together with a gathering knot. So you have a few different options on how to end this if you would like. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.